So I just wanted to make this quick video slash guide here. If you ever wondered how you can mine Bitcoin using your computer, I'm here to tell you there is a way. In this video, I will show you step by step how to mine Bitcoin with your PC with a website called kryptex. So let's hop on the computer and dive right in. So go to Google and search for kryptex. After you do this, you will find the download link. You hit that, it will take you to their website, and then you simply open an account, create account, download, and you download the app right here to your computer. And after you do this, it's going to look like this. Now over here, I already have it configured to the settings of my PC. But in order for you to do this, you have to go to settings and then benchmark. And what this will do, it's going to run a test on your computer to find the best optimal settings specifically for your computer. Okay, after it will finish, it's going to start mining and it's going to look like this. Okay, we'll show you how much you can earn per month, how much you can earn per day. When you mine with your PC, it takes a lot of your computing power and it slows down your PC. So I like to have this option ticked right here, so it pauses it while I'm using the computer. So after 15 minutes, if you don't touch your PC, it's going to automatically start mining again. I prefer that option. After this, you go to your dashboard, you can see your total balance, how much BTC has been mined. You can go to hardware, you can see the list of your hardware here as well, just like on the app. Now if you reach a certain point where you want to get paid out, you just hit the payouts button and you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to get paid in. If you want Bitcoin, you can go to Bitcoin, simply put your address and get paid. Now they have a fee here, so just make your own calculations, what makes sense for you to get paid. Now if you have an external miner, such as the payouts or any other miner that you use, for example, I have the payouts Gamma. Okay, so for my payouts, I choose Fractal Bitcoin for me here. You can choose any coin that you would like from this list, and it will give you all the instructions how exactly to mine to the specific pool. You simply copy and paste to your interface. For me it's the payouts, so it's going to be under pools, and you just copy and paste over here. Then you can see the performance, the statistics of your miner, and if you have a bunch of miners pointing here, you will see it in the list right here. Okay, and very simple. This is how you can mine to different type of pools on kryptex, or if you just want the PC mining, you can do that as well. And this is how you simply mine Bitcoin with your computer on kryptex. Very simple, guys. And if you have any questions, comments, you feel free to leave them below. And thank you for watching. Of course, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one.